Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create a professional portfolio website using Google Sites. Yeah, it's pretty simple once you know the steps, so let's jump right in. First, go to sites.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, click the big blank template to start a new site. This gives you a clean canvas to work with. Next, give your site a name, something professional like your name or your brand. Then add a header image or banner to make it look polished from the start. Now add the pages you need. Usually, I'd recommend an about page, a portfolio page, and a contact page. Just click the Pages tab, hit the plus sign, and name your pages. After that, start adding your content, text, images, videos, whatever shows your work best. You can drag and drop sections and rearrange them however you like. Make it visually appealing, but keep it clean. Yeah? Finally, click the preview button to see how your site looks on different devices. When you're happy with it, hit publish, choose your web address, and your portfolio is live. And yeah, that's basically it. And that's how you make a professional portfolio website with Google Sites. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, check out the link in the description for more tips. Catch you in the next one.